I think that the way that we learn presentation skills and how to write and stuff was embedded in the classes.
Through writing papers on the research projects I was doing. That's really where I kind of cleaned up my writing act. Software craftsmanship, every 2 weeks you would present on what you did, any hurdles you had to get over, any interesting design implementations you did.
Project management really came into play more when I'm developing code, when I'm trying to write a program. It's like, what are the parts and the pieces, and then how do they fit together?
Software engineering, you had to kind of state out your plan of action, what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, and you have to field questions. The capstone, working with the team, these are several month projects that kind of go through several iterations and gives you a better sense for how it is in the industry. We built a web app that was kind of my first introduction into web development, which is a lot of what I do now.
I had to learn time and time again how to work with other people. A lot of working in the real world is just having good people skills.
The ability to translate ideas, plans, designs is vital to one's success in industry.
I was very much supported by a professor. He was very understanding of some students completely new to programming. I was one. He made himself very available to these students for any kind of help that they needed.
I entered CASE with zero coding experience. First, they teach you how to code in Java, building up the base concepts, and then teaching you things like algorithms.
You really get hands-on and get a lot of personal feedback on your code so that people working with you don't mind working on your code.
Membership in the Hacker Society, the different talks and workshops hosted by the club, it really was the classroom outside of the classroom.
I was a part of ACM, which is the Association of Computer Machinery. They set up a lot of events with professors, relax, have pizza, and they would talk about new developments in the research field that they're interested in. That's where you could find out other things like lab openings. If you were interested in their research and wanted to learn more.
The Career Center kind of helped me leverage several projects that combined programming and computer science with biology and ecology to kind of make my resume stand out.